Hello friends, in our previous video we have find this shaded region while using the integrals, and here is the solution, and the answer is 5/6. In this video I will explain the other method, second method, how we can solve this problem. We can find the shaded region with some other way, and let's have a look. If we see the figure critically, like we have find this area, and let's consider this rectangle from 0 to 2, and the height is 0 to 1, this rectangle. And in this rectangle, if we subtract this area and this area from the full rectangle, we will get our required shaded area. And now the question is how we can find these blank areas given right here, this one and this one. And it is very clear that this is a triangle, and its area can be obtained while using the formula half of the base into perpendicular. And this area can be considered as the area under this curve from 0 to 2. So we use the integral for this area, and we use the formula of area of the triangle for this blank area, and then we find the total area. Subtract the blank areas from the total area, we will get the required answer. So let me show you the three areas. Okay, here is the total area. Total area basically the area of the rectangle, and this you can consider the width from 0 to 1. So this length is 1, width is 1, and this side from 0 to 2 the total length is 2, and area is length into width, we will get 2, the total area. Now we have to subtract this blank area and this blank area. So for the subtraction we are going to calculate these areas, and here is the area of the triangle, this triangle. And again you can see that consider this side as base, so length is 1, and if you consider this side as perpendicular, and again this side is parallel to basically this side, and this length is again 1, so this length is again 1. Do not consider is this y equals to this y equals 1 basically the equation of this straight line. So do not consider this one. Actually this line is parallel to this line, and from 0 to 1 the length is 1, so this length is parallel, this length is also 1, base perpendicular. And here we have put these values, half of the base into perpendicular as area of the triangle, and after simplification we will get 1/2. Now for the area of the curve, this one, we have to find the area under the curve. We know that definite integral always gives area under the curve, so we use definite integral for this part, and we apply the limit from 0 to 2, and the curve is x square by 4, and here we can see that 0 to 2 x square by 4. After integration we get x cube by 12, 0 to 2, and after applying the limits we get 8 by 12, and after cancellation it will be 2 by 3. Now the required area is, this is the area for the rectangle, and we are going to subtract the area of the triangle and area of the area under the curve. And after simplification you can see that we have same answer 5/6 as in the previous method. Simply the LCM we have taken right here, and again the answer is 5/6. Very interesting and very simple solution. Thank you.